ELTA IAI, one of the world leaders in radar and reconnaissance systems for a wide range of challenges, presents a system for safe driving of a train for all visibility conditions. With limited visibility, trains are forced to travel at slow speed, resulting in significant delays and failure to meet deadlines. Even worse, the limited field of vision prevents the driver from seeing ahead far enough to identify obstacles on the way and prevent fatal accidents. Introducing the SeeFar system, a groundbreaking warning system that supports faster driving of the locomotive in all weather conditions. The SeeFar system includes the following components: a high-resolution active electronically scanned array unique radar for detecting and tracking of hazards, unique multispectral optical system providing fusion and enhanced image recognition, operator display station provides the train driver with a clear and concise picture of the scanned railway. The system is designed to work independently and can also be connected to a central information cloud for continuous updates. For collision prevention, the system is designed to support automatic train operation capability, ATO. The SeeFar system is optimized for flexible installation on all locomotive types. The SeeFar system enables fast and safe driving in difficult conditions that would slow down other trains. The driver is continuously provided with updates from the database about every detail relevant to his safe journey, such as upcoming traffic signs or traffic lights. Throughout the ride, the radar scans the road ahead and alerts the driver in advance to every detail above 1 kilometer ahead. The driver is alerted to the existence of the obstacle long enough to ensure that he can safely slow down and stop the train in time. In addition to the radar, the optics, even in dense fog conditions, recognize the obstacle from a distance of hundreds of meters and displays it to the driver. All these and other capabilities ensure that in any situation, even in extreme low visibility conditions of dark nights or heavy fog, nothing will escape from the driver, and he will always be able to make the right decision to ensure the safety of the passengers on the train and other road users. The SeeFar system gives you the confidence to travel at high speed in all weather conditions, to see everything in front of you and identify in advance everything that could endanger you. The SeeFar system is a safe rail navigation system for all visibility conditions.